I'm not a huge fan of Jordan 3 silhouette, but man, these are really good. What is good, family? It's your boy Ayem, and this is Ayem Sneakers. In today's episode, I will give you the detailed look of the Air Jordan 3 White Cement Reimagined. By the way, if you haven't yet already, or if you are new to this channel, feel free to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you will be the first one to get notified when I drop a new video. And you can also find me outside YouTube on Facebook and Instagram. All my social links will be included in the description box. And please do me a favor by smashing that like button because it helps the channel to grow. And with all that being said, let's get to the unboxing. Like I said earlier, I'm not a huge fan of Jordan 3 silhouette in general, but these White Cements Reimagined are actually dope. These were released last March 11, this year 2023, in a retail price of $210 US, and that is 11,295 in Philippine peso. Just like the lost and found ones, this pair comes in a box in age look or vintage look. And this time, it is a normal or usual Jordan 3 black box with Jumpman logo at the top in red and Nike Air branding in red on this side, while on the opposite side, you have as well the Nike Air branding in red and the box label or the size tag sticker. And it says here, Air Jordan 3 Retro, and the official colorway is Summit White, Fire Red, Black. So let's open the box. Upon opening the box, it comes with this card or paper with a Jumpman logo in red and with the technical details of the shoe. It comes as well with the typical wax paper with elephant print, and here is the shoe. This is the Air Jordan 3 White Cement Reimagined. To appreciate how good they are, how dope they are, let's take a closer look. Starting at the front panel of the shoes, elephant print toe cap or mudguard in nubuck material. Elephant print is different from left and right shoe. White soft leather toe box. The leather is premium as this is very soft and buttery. You can feel the great leather quality on this. White default flat laces. White leather tongue with embroidered Jumpman logo in red, and there's no extra laces included. It comes with this plastic Nike Air hang tag in orange. Looking at the lateral and medial sides, red eyelets below and white on the upper. Elephant print nubuck on the heel side. Sail or cream midsole with black accent and air unit at the heel. Sail or cream backtub with the OG Nike Air branding in black. Red insoles with black Nike Air branding in black. Default rubber outsoles of Jordan 3 in gray, white, and red with the Nike branding at the heel part. As far as sizing is concerned, they fit true to size in my opinion. The usual size you get in a Jordan 3 silhouette will be good. Honestly, I love how Nike and Jordan brand bring back the OG colorways with this Reimagined series. Previously, we had the lost and found ones, and I really dig those. I'm not sure if it is confirmed that we are expecting or there will be a Jordan 4 Breads and Jordan 1 Royal Reimagined. I have no complaints with that, and I'm looking forward for that. And that's how good the Air Jordan 3 Reimagined or White Cement Reimagined. Please let me know your thoughts on this pair. Did you cop one or planning to get one? Anything that you want to share, leave a comment below and let me know. And that's pretty much all about this episode. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And always remember, pop what you want, rock what you love. See you on the next one. Peace, God bless. Hanggang sa muli.
my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and